Guys, here we go. 3673 Select Baseball. 3673 Select Baseball. Alright, DNS 1, Trevor 1, Ollie 1, Yawn 1, Superman 2, Barbarians 1, Big Allen 1, Mamur 2, Chief Key 5, Yawn Phillips 1, Tim Fletcher 5, and Joe Bats with 9. Alright guys, 5 times for 5 times. Here we go. Here we go. Once, twice, 3 times. 4 times, 5 times. And Joe Batcher on top, Tim Fletcher on the bottom, 5 times. Alright, Barbarians, Cubs, Big Allen, Brewers, D&N, Angels, Joe Bats, Diamondbacks, Reds, Indians, Astros, Royals, Marlins, Athletics, Mariners, Rangers. John Phillips, Phillies, Rays, Chief Keef, Braves, White Sox, Dodgers, Mets, Padres. Lamur, Orioles, Cardinals, Ollie, Giants, Superman, Red Sox, Twins, Fletcher, Rockies, Yankees, Pirates, Blue Jays, Nationals, and Trevor with the Tigers. Any trades, guys? Let me know. There you are. Man, I just messaged you. Yeah, I never got it, man. Double check. Yeah, I never. Yeah, we already ran it. Yeah, we were ready. I had to take you out. I already took you out, Matt. Double check it, man. It never. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Hey, Ashley, what's up? Here we go. Here we go. Some select baseball. Oh, yeah, doing well. Can't complain. Can't complain. Let's get it on. Up next is Obsidian. 16 by 20s working as well. Here we go. Good luck to everybody. Select baseball. Josh Bell, Baez, Aquino, relic for the Cincinnati Reds. Steven Strasburg out of 50. Steven Strasburg. Steven Strasburg. Bias. Oh. Oh. You sent Venmo to the PayPal username? I see. Yeah, that would cause that not to go through. It should say pending though, right? Sure to get your money back. Alright, Bichetti. Jonathan Gray, Colorado. Robert Glasnow. Kershaw Sanchez, a relic for Cleveland. Aaron Seville, Pete Alonso, Scherzer. Oh, okay, good. We just filled one. We just filled another Obsidian. I don't know if we'll get one more in tonight. Hamels, Torres, Grulin for Philadelphia, Gavin Lux, Javier Baez. Hendricks, Lowe, Keuchel, Bobby Witt, Silver for Kansas City. Bobby Witt, Phenoms. Okay, 20 left, guys. 16 by 20. Last one in the case. Last 16 by 20. If you want in, you get in. $6 a spot. Kobe. R.I.P. 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 Toro, Houston. Abreu, Houston. Justin Lazardo, Oakland. Tim Anderson, Chicago. Gavin Lux. Tim Anderson. Abreu, Toro. Aaron Judge, Giles, Freddie Freeman auto out of 49. Nice Freddie Freeman auto out of 49 for the Atlanta Braves. Going to Chief Keef. Nice Freddie Freeman auto. Freddie Freeman. So we still have a nice patch auto hopefully left here. Tommy Pham, San Diego, out of 199. Bryant, Woodruff, Yates, Zolak, Polanco. Alonzo, Springer, Abreu, Turnbull, out of 199. Okay. Logan Webb. Soto, Alonzo, Aaron Judge, Corbin. Dubon out of 199 auto for San Fran. Snell, Tampa Bay. Max Kepler. Okay, San Fran. Cisco. Alright, Blake Snell. That was a base for John. Aaron Judge. Randy for Tampa Bay. Last pack. Obsidian's up next, guys. I'll let you guys pick the box. We got full size working as well. Chu Gonzalez. Rojas. Strasburg. Romento. Strasburg. Base. Rojas. Okay. Okay. Strasburg, so Cincinnati, Cleveland, San Fran. Good stuff. Alright, Freeman for Atlanta, Cincinnati Reds, San Fran, and Cleveland. Okay. So, Cleveland Indians, Joe Bats. San Francisco. Let me put you guys back out of here. San Francisco Giants, Oi. ATL Braves, Chief Keef. And Cleveland, Cincinnati, Joe Bats. Alright, good stuff. Good. Those are just the main hits, guys. The rest of those will go out as well. Top spot, free spot in the baseball bonus break. Once, twice. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And DNN 59. Good stuff there. Select baseball 3673. 3673. MLB select. Very good. That'll be for an autographed baseball. Free break. Obsidian's up next, guys. 16 by 20s working as well. 18 left and 16 by 20. NBA jerseys working. Full-size helmets working. Prism, football mini, you name it. We got some stuff working there. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, guys. Never miss a live break. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Appreciate it. Join that Facebook group. Thank you.